Hello everyone, welcome again to my new video. Actually, it is being noticed that the uploading period of the video in my channel taking long time. Actually, I did not get to do my activities in this channel, and so this takes a lot of times for uploading my next videos on the channel. But I promise to give my better output so that I can upload videos on the channel. Here the same topics, and I think the same criteria that I am just telling you is that how you can enhance your communication skill in English language. In this world, I think maximum people, I think the most of the people of our country are eager to enhance their communication skill mainly in English language, but they don't have the criteria and the methods that how we can get mastery in English speaking. I think for the unlocking of the door of English speaking, we need some strategy, we need some pillars and some methods by which you can enhance the English speaking and the communication skill in English language. In this video, I am just going to discuss mainly about two pillars of practice. Do you know, during English speaking, I think all the languages in this world where the peoples are utilizing the languages, I think the imagination is the main criteria by which they are able to speak the language. I do not talk only about English language. I think whole or the entire world where the different languages are utilized can be spoken only with the help of only one strategy, and the strategy is the imagination power. But here the question arises from our mind that, sir, how can we get the imagination power? How we can imagine fastly so that our English speaking or communication skills can be enhanced? Here I will discuss about the two strategy or the two methods by which really you can get your imagination power. I think your imagination gets a strongest wings so that your imagination can fly over above your thinking, so that you can speedily construct English sentences in your mind, and then you can speak with a higher velocity in a public. Here, do you know, the main strategy for enhancing our English speaking is reading. You can spend maximum time reading English books. I think that books may be related to your colleges and related to your school. I think even the newspaper that had already put on the corner of your room, even the old newspaper is beneficial for enhancing our English communication skill. I think you can read approximately 2, 3 or 4 pages of English books, even the newspapers that is really written or published on English language, and this is really mandatory for speaking English. And here the second thing about which I am going to tell you is really fantastic and crucial and most important for every beginners who are just stepped in the world of English speaking. And I think if they have eager and they have a strong intentions for enhancing their speaking skill, they must apply this criteria that I am going to tell you. Here the remedy and a medicinal concept is being given to you so that your imaginations can be cured for permanently. I think whenever you are speaking, I think you have better English speaking concepts in your mind, and even you have better grammatical structures and more vocabulary have already present in your mind. But during a speaking or conversation, I get blanked and my mind stopped to think. The main reason for this incident is that our imagination is not as appropriate as should be. I think the points, the articles and the things that you have already read, and the second step is that the same article and the same things that you have read should be written with the help of your own English vocabulary and with your own words, so that the same article or the same topic that you have read on the book, you have gathered the information in your mind, should be given a structure, a written structure with the help of your own grammatical structure and with the help of English vocabulary present in your mind. Do you know, with the help of this method or this criteria, really you can get a power to imagine yourself, and your mind will get a majestic strength to imagine. And I think when the imagination power can be achieved in our mind, I think our consciousness functionate very properly and we can speak English very easily, just like a native speaker. So I suggest to all of you for applying to a strategy and two pillars of practice. The first is reading and the second is writing skill. I think you should not do these things in a different way. Suppose if you are reading about the air pollutions in the newspaper and even you are getting these informations from any book, after the completion of the topics or the things about which you are reading, you need to write about the same topics. Suppose you have completed to read about the air pollution, and the next step is that again you need to take care about your responsibility to write the same topic, that is about the air pollutions, with the help of your words and your grammatical structure. By these methods, really your imagination gets wings to fly and you can easily speak English just like a foreigner. Whenever you write anything, suppose you are writing about a topic and again we are following the second step of writing about the same topic. I think scientists has suggested and they claimed that with the help of writing method you can immediately achieve 21% awareness about that topic. Really, if you have habit to write about the topics and the things about which you have read and you are thinking, I think this criteria can increase your awareness, your information as well as your knowledge. The maximum the knowledge in your mind, with higher velocity you have ability to speak the language. I think all the factors that I have told you is really beneficial to increase your English speaking.